Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make green powder for Pookalam, updated. First, gather eco-friendly green leaves like pandan, spinach, or curry leaves and remove stems. Dry them completely in shade to preserve color and fragrance. Use a dry grinder and sieve the powder twice for uniform texture. Store in airtight jars away from moisture to keep color bright and prevent clumping until you are ready to use it. Start by washing leaves gently and patting them dry on a clean cloth. Lay leaves in a single layer in a cool shaded spot with good airflow to retain the green hue. Turn leaves occasionally to dry both sides equally and prevent mold. When leaves snap easily, they are ready for grinding, which ensures finer powder and a brighter finished Pookalam color. Use a clean, dry grinder and pulse in short bursts so the leaves stay cool and retain pigment. Sift the powder through a fine mesh to remove fibrous bits and repeat grinding for a silky finish. Transfer to airtight jars and add a small desiccant or rice sachet to absorb moisture. Label jars with date and rotate stock so the freshest powder is used first for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.